So here is how to register CRA account for the first time. So first you will need to go to your browser and then type CRA, press enter, and then click on sign into your CRA account. And you should be able to see this page. Now scroll down. If you have an account already, you can sign in as a partner with your bank login or sign in using a CRA user ID and password. You can also sign in using business or presenting another client if you are. Otherwise, you can click on register for CRA account on the right. Now, keep in mind that you cannot register again if you are already registered. And then scroll down here. The first step is to decide if you need to register based on the notes in here. You can also click on already registered and it should tell you what to do, whether you want to use your credentials, existing credentials to log in, or you can also try to recover your lost or forgotten CRA user ID or password. You can also access other accounts for business accounts and representing clients. You can minimize this if you're not already registered. Now for the second option right here, it will ask you to gather the documents. When you register with the CRA user ID and password or sign-in partner, you will need all of the following documents, which is the SIN or the social insurance number. You can click on this if you don't have one. Also, you will need your date of birth and your current postal code and your income from a previous tax return. For example, line 15,000 or other required line. And you can click here if you have your documents ready and you want to begin. Now, for faster access, you will need a one of the following, either a Canadian passport or driver license or provincial or territorial photo ID card. And for the third step, you will need to sign in choosing an option to register with. You can click on here to find the best option for your situation. It will tell you which option is relevant for you based on these notes. Now you can click on sign in partner to register with your bank account. You can also create a user and ID password for your Canada Revenue Agency. And you will be prompted to create security questions and answers for your account. And now once you verify your identity or submit your files, it should take them between 5 and 10 business days, and you should receive a letter after that time with a code. Now for the verification, you will simply just submit a photo of yourself and your ID document. And then after about 10 business days, you should receive a code, usually by mail, to your account. Until then, you will have a limited access to your CRA account. And once you receive the code, you should log back to your account and then enter the code. And then after entering the code, it will unlock the full access to the account. And the second option is to register using the mobile app, but it's kind of limited, and the registration usually might or must happen with or start from the website. Now, once you completed the steps, you should be prompted to enroll into a multi-factor authentication just to secure your account. And now once you completed all the steps, you should have a fully functional account with full access. And the tips here is to use accurate tax info from a previous return, which is usually the line 15,000 from last year's notice of assessments, and the CRA security code usually expires after a set of time, so you should use it promptly. And the last thing is that if you recently moved, always make sure to upload your address or update your address in your account. Otherwise, the letters might not reach you. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.